Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. It's second day of your computer. So, in our previous class, we already discussed about different how a computer is different from other machines. Then, secondly, we already discussed compare we already compare computers with human beings. Then we already discussed about the advantages of a computer. So today we will learn some more things about computer, that is disadvantages of a computer and different type of computer, then steps to switch on and switch off a computer. So let's start. In previous class we already discussed how a computer is useful for us, and in this class we all discuss about disadvantages of a computer. So like other things, this computer also have many disadvantages, like here harmful to environment. How it is harmful to our environment? The production process of कंप्यूटर्स का जो प्रोडक्शन का प्रोसेस है, let's see, this is a picture of waste material of computer. This is very harmful to our environment and also soil. And then comes to health problem. People who use computers for a long period of time may suffer from many health problems such as headaches, backaches, and poor eyesight. So, जब people क्या करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं कंप्यूटर को, तो उनको हेडेक्स, बैकएच, पोर आईसाइट, ये सारी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम, other health problem also they have. So here another disadvantage of a computer is wastage of time and energy. How people play games and chat with their friends for a long period of time. So in this way, wastage of time and energy, it is a big disadvantages of now time. It results in wastage of time and energy. So that's it. So computer crime, it is a big problem in our society nowadays. Computer crimes, some people use computers for stealing the personal details of user, such as credit card numbers, and misuse them. वो क्या करते हैं, क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर, अदर पर्सनल डिटेल्स को चोरी करके उससे मिसयूज करते हैं. सो दीज आर द four disadvantages of a computer. Main disadvantage, like other disadvantages of a computer is also there. So let's discuss about different type of computer. Nowadays different types of computer are available in the market. So here is a computer. This is a picture of desktop computer. Why we called it desktop computer? Because a desktop computer is a computer designed to fit well on a desk. वो क्या है, डेस्क पे फिट होने के लिए उसको उसी तरह से तैयार किया जाता है. तो It is also called a पर्सनल कंप्यूटर का शॉर्ट फॉर्म है पीसी. इसको ऑल्सो we called personal computer or desktop computer. So it is a picture of desktop computer. Then comes to laptop. You very well known about the laptop. Here is a picture of laptop. A laptop is a computer that is small enough to fit on a person's lap. So it is called laptop. Laptop. Then it can be carried around easily. हम easily उसको carry कर सकते हैं. It runs on battery. So let's see another computer. It is a palm top. It is a picture of palm top. A palm top is a small computer that can fit easily in a person's palm. So it is called palm top. It also runs on battery. It is our then last it is our tablet. Big size than our mobile. A tablet is a thin, flat computer with touchscreen display. With touchscreen display, you can do any task by just touching the screen instead of using a mouse or keyboard. तो ये टैबलेट को यूज़ करने के लिए हमें कोई माउस या कीबोर्ड की ज़रूरत नहीं होता है. हमें उसे सिर्फ मोबाइल की तरह टच करके यूज़ करते हैं. तो इट ऑल्सो रन्स ऑन बैटरी. So we discussed the variety of computer. First one is our desktop computer, then laptop, then palm top, then tablet. We read only 4 types of computer. How then switching a computer on and off. The process of switching on the computer is called booting. To switch on a computer, follow these steps. Here is the steps. Step 1. Here step 1. Switch on the main power supply. Here in the board, on the board, we have to switch on first on the main power supply. So first switch on the main power supply. Then step 2, switch on the power button on the UPS. Here is a small box than our CPU. It is called UPS. So switch on the power button of the UPS. It's step 2. Then step 3, press the power button on the CPU box. Here is a CPU box and this is the power button. So press the power button on the CPU. It's 4th stage and final stage to switch on the computer. So in this step, switch on the monitor. Here is a button for monitor. So switch on the monitor. After a while, the desktop screen appears. Now you are ready to work on the system. So it is a system software. Now you are ready to use computer. So here is a शटडाउन प्रोसेस। हम तो कंप्यूटर को ऑन कर दिए, अब ऑफ करने की बारी। सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑल द वर्क you must first shut down the computer and then switch it off. How we shut down the computer? So let's see the shutdown button. To shut down the computer, follow these steps. So first click on the start button on the desktop. So let's see where is our start button. So here this is the start option here, and also there in keyboard have start button. So click on the start button, then on the desktop a list of options appears. Here many options are appear. You have to click on shutdown button. Here is a button named shutdown. You have to click on this, then the screen goes black. स्क्रीन सब ब्लैक हो जाएगा. देन स्विच ऑफ द मॉनिटर. देन जो प्रोसेस हम करके आए थे उसको हम फिर से उसी तरह से जाएंगे. फास्ट हमको ऑफ करना है मॉनिटर से, उसके बाद यूपीएस से, एंड देन मेन पावर सप्लाई. फास्ट स्विच ऑन द मॉनिटर, देन the UPS, and then the main power supply, like this.